Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 23 Margaret Street in Ashfield. This quaint character home has 4 bedrooms, plus the high ceilings and the timber floors. And we've got 2 driveways, one that takes you to the backyard where you've got a huge man cave garage. And because we're on 730 square metres, you've got plenty of room for the kids to play in the backyard. And talking about kids, we're just a walk to the Ashfield Primary School. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 23 Margaret Street in Ashfield. As you can see, plenty of room to play out the backyard, and the massive man shed is a bonus as well. For more details about property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.